Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button D&D, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here. You can enable it when device is locked. You can notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. You can also notify about repeated calls, ring or vibrate while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can change its name, select start time, end time, and on which days it will repeat. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.